Flooring sets the tone for your entire home, but choosing the right type can feel overwhelming. Today, we're spotlighting 3 amazing options: luxury vinyl plank, laminate, and engineered wood. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident about your decision. Each of these flooring types is a winner in its own way. They're stylish, durable, and designed to elevate your home. Let's explore what makes each one special, starting with LVP. LVP has been taking the flooring world by storm, and for good reason. It's incredibly durable, 100% waterproof, and perfect for just about any room in your home, from the kitchen to the bathroom to the basement. Thanks to modern technology, LVP doesn't just mimic the look of wood or stone. It feels like the real thing. It's softer and warmer underfoot than tile, making it a practical and cozy choice. And the best part? It's low maintenance. Just sweep, mop, and you're good to go. Laminate flooring has come a long way and remains a top contender for stylish, budget-friendly homes. It's known for its realistic wood-like appearance and a wide variety of colors and textures to suit any design style. Laminate is also highly durable, with excellent scratch and wear resistance, perfect for families with pets or kids. Some newer laminates are water-resistant, making them a great option for kitchens or entryways. And did I mention how easy it is to install? Many laminate planks simply click together, which means you can even tackle it as a DIY project. Now let's talk about engineered wood. If you love the look and feel of hardwood, but want a bit more durability and moisture resistance, this is the flooring for you. It combines a real wood veneer with a stable core, giving you that high-end aesthetic with added versatility. While it's a premium option, its longevity and timeless appeal make it a worthwhile investment for key areas of your home. Now let's stack them up side by side. Durability, LVP and laminate both excel here. LVP wins on waterproofing, while laminate is unbeatable for scratch resistance. Aesthetics, all 3 are stunning in their own way. LVP and laminate offer endless design options, and engineered wood brings classic elegance. Cost: LVP and laminate are budget-friendly champions, while engineered wood is an investment for long-term value. Maintenance: LVP and laminate are low maintenance, making them ideal for busy households. Here's my advice. If you're looking for versatility, waterproofing, and durability, LVP is a fantastic choice for every room. Want an affordable, stylish option with incredible scratch resistance? Laminate is your go-to, especially in dry spaces like bedrooms and living rooms. Love the timeless elegance of wood and ready to invest? Engineered wood is perfect for spaces where you want that luxurious touch. No matter what you choose, all 3 options offer beauty, functionality, and durability. The key is finding what fits your lifestyle and budget. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more home inspiration.
Thanks for watching, you're the best. Our built flooring beats the rest. Wholesale prices shipped to your door. LVP talent, hardwood galore.